Hi, I'm Dr. Farrell Conant at Smith County Family Practice, Smith County Memorial Hospital. I wanted to take some time today to visit with you all about some new developments in our fight against the coronavirus pandemic, and excited to share that we now have available 2 vaccines. We have been waiting for these because we feel they are our best weapon in the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. As a means of preventing and minimizing spread. And so many people have questions about the vaccines, and so I wanted to review some of the process that has gone on to develop these 2 vaccines. More vaccines will be developed and are in development now, but we have 2 available right at this time. And so these vaccines are not a new technology. The initial research began back in 2003 when there was a SARS-CoV-1 outbreak in Asia. That vaccine stopped its research development because the disease seemed to disappear and there was no incentive to continue it. Since then, though, there have been other diseases, including Ebola, a very serious viral infection that was highly fatal, mainly in the African continent. And a similar vaccine was developed for Ebola. So the process and the research is not new. These new vaccines have undergone very thorough testing, and they have passed the tests with, I think, flying colors. They've been tested, at least one of the vaccines that we have available has been tested in 40,000 people. Half of that group received the vaccine, half received a placebo, which is the standard approach for any new medicine, new treatment that we test and then present for use by physicians. And so the effect or the results of that trial showed that the vaccines were 95% effective in preventing COVID-19 infection. And that's an amazing degree of protection in comparison. Our flu vaccine, which we recommend every year, and it has to be a new vaccine every year, has about a 50% effectiveness. Some of our other childhood vaccines have a greater than 90% effectiveness, such as MMR vaccine. So this effectiveness is almost unparalleled, and we're excited about that. The safety of these vaccines has been, that's part of the study that was ongoing for 8 weeks. A normal study of a new drug or new treatment is about a 6-week period of time after administration, where side effects are monitored very, very closely. And so for 8 weeks after vaccine administration, each person was checked regularly to see if they had any side effects. Thankfully, there were very few side effects. The common side effects that we would expect from almost any injection, it is an injection given in the arm, would be soreness at the injection site, maybe some redness and swelling at the injection site, possibly headache, possibly low-grade fever, maybe body aches. These were found to be self-limited and short-term, usually 2 or 3 days at most, and those could certainly be treated with analgesics like Tylenol. And so we strongly encourage all patients, when these vaccines are available, to receive them, because we feel, again, that it's our best treatment, it's our best prevention. Backing up, our treatments have been a little disappointing, and we've certainly tried a variety of treatments with patients that have become ill, requiring hospitalization. They may have benefit, we hope they do, but they have not been as robust a benefit as we would have hoped. So again, we feel that if we can prevent the disease, we are far better off. So look for more information to come on this site. As soon as we have greater doses available, we'll be making the public aware, and we will strongly recommend, all of the medical staff here will recommend that you should get the vaccine. Thank you.